Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, what I'm going to show you is if you have a sales enterprise seat and if you use the quotes feature on HubSpot, you can actually enable a configuration through which you can have approvals configured for your HubSpot instance, wherein if at any time there's a quote which is created by a particular member or multiple members, you can have an approver who gets notified whenever a quote is raised, and only when that person approves that quote can it be sent ahead. So I'll quickly show you over here. It's very simple. All you need to do is go to settings. Under objects, you need to click on quotes. And over here, you will see this approvals tab. Now make sure you will see this approvals tab only if you have a sales enterprise seat. And in that case, you just need to go to approvals and require approvals on all quotes. Just need to toggle this. You can select the approver over here. In my case, because it's a demo account, it's just one. But yeah, whoever has a sales enterprise seat associated or allocated to them, they will have this, they can be seen in this particular drop down. So I'll just set him as approver. And what you'll see is as soon as you approve this, right, under workflows, if I just refresh this a bit, there'll be three workflows which will automatically be created when changes are requested, when quotes are approved, and when quotes require approval. So now you can configure all of these as per your requirements. For example, when quote requires approval, so it is already created this particular workflow that when the quote status is pending for approval, set the quote approver to any of that member, and a task would also be created. You can also go ahead and add an internal email notification which goes out to that particular member whenever they're up for approval. So this is one flow over here. The other flow is when changes are requested. So for example, if the approver is not happy with the quote, we can also configure that particular scenario. So when the quote status is any of rejected, a task would be created and it would be assigned to the quote owner. So basically the one who's created the quote saying that changes are required over here. And again, the last one over here would be when the quote is approved. So when the quote is approved, again, a task will be created that this is approved and has been published, and you can now send it to your customers. So these are the three scenarios, and it's very easy. All of these workflows are pre-made once you enable the approval configuration under settings and quotes, and then you can just change the values as per your requirements. So that's it. That is how easy it is, and hope you find it useful and configure it on your HubSpot instance if you are on a sales enterprise seat. Thank you.